Hi guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you how to discover more strength in your body by playing with the Shinbox. And notice I said discover more strength. Listen, we're not doing all these movements to get stronger. We're doing all these movements because we are strong. You get me? Think about that and write me a letter and tell me next week what you thought. Anyway, we're gonna play with the Shinbox today to discover more of our strength. And so if you don't know or remember, this is the Shinbox, and you can rotate in and out of it, or you simply rotate your legs inside, outside, and this is great for your hips because you're putting them through internal and external rotation, and well, it just feels good. And you know, it feels good to feel good. So this week we're gonna add a load to the Shinbox by elevating our butt up off the floor. So we're here, and we're still rotating our legs inside and out. So again, we're lifting our butt up off the floor, so now we've increased the tension throughout our body, certainly our torso, and we're rotating our legs in and out. Now, to add even more load and put more emphasis on our backside, we can try to really raise up the butt. So try to get your pelvis to the ceiling as high as you can, almost like you're holding a tabletop position here. And now you rotate your legs in, come back up, rotate your legs in, come back up. So this takes a lot of glute activation. And again, we just rotate side to side, but we don't want to fall or let gravity take over. So we want to control that descent down to the floor as we rotate, come back up. And every time you come back up, just make sure your pelvis is up high to the sky if you can. But if you can only get it up to here, that is fantastic. Just take it where it'll let you go. And then rotate down. Now, if we want to add even more fun to this, as we rotate, we can elevate, hold ourselves up, take this other hand, and reach back across underneath our body. Feels fantastic. Come back over, put the hand down, pelvis to the sky, rotate back over, and then take this hand, and reach back across and over, and use your eyes and your head. So we're doing all kinds of stuff here. So now we're getting vestibular activation because we're using our eyes and our head to lead our body. We're reaching, so we're rolling in the air. So we're getting spinal rotation, and it feels fantastic. And I don't know if you can hear this tension, but this is real genuine tension. I'm not making this up. And then we come back over, pelvis to the sky, so we're getting hip flexors to open because our glutes are on, or our glutes are on because our hip flexors are open. Chicken or egg, who cares? And then, I shot the moon. We're gonna rotate, hold up, and reach. So from a different angle, which angle would that be? Would it be here? I'll almost do straight, but catty corner. So we're here, we rotate over, look, and reach, undo it, pelvis to the sky, rotate over, look, and reach. And again, there's nothing wrong with just doing this too, getting used to it. But either way, playing with the Shinbox, whether on the floor, and again, guys, we can look and reach here, right? We've done this before. We're just adding load or stress to the system by using our body weight to put more stress on the system. And what does that do? It allows us to discover our strength. Again, we're not doing these movements to become strong. We're doing these movements because we are strong. And if you play with how your body can move, you discover the strength that's naturally inside. Anyway, that's our tip for this week, elevating the Shinbox and discovering our strength. Anyway, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.